Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. What if I told you there's a way to make your daily commute, workout, or focus time infinitely more enjoyable? Let me introduce you to the Bose QuietComfort Earbuds, a game changer in the world of earbud headphones. These wireless earbuds are not just a pretty face, they're packed with features that will make you wonder how you ever lived without them. With their world-renowned noise cancellation, you'll feel like you're in your own little bubble, where the only sound that matters is the one you want to hear. The sound quality is rich and satisfying, perfect for getting pumped up during a workout or losing yourself in your favorite podcast. Many customers have purchased and reviewed these earbuds, and it's clear they're a popular choice among those who value great sound and convenience. One of the things that sets them apart is their staying power. With up to 8.5 hours of listening time, you can wear them all day without needing to recharge. Plus, the wireless charging case makes it easy to top them off on the go, and a quick 20-minute charge can give you an extra 2 hours of playback. The earbuds themselves are also incredibly comfortable, with a trio of ear tip and stability band sizes to ensure a snug and secure fit. Whether you're running, hiking, or just running errands, these earbuds will stay put and keep you connected to your music or calls. I've found that the Bluetooth multipoint feature is a total lifesaver, allowing me to seamlessly switch between my phone, computer, and tablet without missing a beat. And with Bluetooth 5.3 technology, I can roam up to 30 feet away from my device without dropping the connection. Overall, the Bose QuietComfort Earbuds are a must-have for anyone who wants to upgrade their daily routine with great sound, convenience, and comfort. So why not give them a try and experience the difference for yourself? If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.